Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back from holidays. I can do all my unboxings, but look, disaster has struck. I have broken my wrist. I've got my painkillers on board, so I'm doing alright, but it's a bit of a challenge doing everything one-handed, so bear with me. So I've got a load of boxes to share with you, but I just thought let's just do Birchbox today. So I've already taken the box out of the outer box just because I can't manage, and so yeah, you've seen everyone's already, but I just want to share them with you. So this is in collaboration with Not on the High Street. Let me just and this is the inside the box, and it says, let me just put, oh gosh, this is tricky. So it's £10 a month, £2.95 postage and packaging, so it's £12.95 in total. And obviously it's a February edition, and it's all about Valentine's, and it says let love grow. There's a sneak peek for March, and it is a Generation Clay mask, and it can either be brightening ultraviolet or detoxifying charcoal. So I think I'll probably choose the violet one, so that's that there. And then we did have a choice as always, so I'll start off with our choice that we had for February, and it's this LOC, which stands for Love of Colour. Oh, sorry. And it is a liquid shimmer shadow in Eclipse or Moonlight, and I chose, what shade did I choose? Moonlight. Now I'm not sure if I can open this up or not. Oh, there we go. Oh, and that's it there. I don't know how I'm going to show you this. Let me do it here. Okay, right. Let me pack this away. So yeah, it is a shimmer shadow. That is it on the back of my hand. And it says, so RRP is £8. And it says this liquid shimmer eyeshadow provides a subtle hint of colour and shine that can be layered for a bolder look. The water-based formula feels lightweight and comfortable on your lids while providing long-lasting wear. Just swipe it onto the eyelids and blend in. It sets after 30 seconds, so there's no risk of creasing. So this is a really nice, like, bronzy, shimmery shade. It is nice. I'm not sure how I'm going to have to get this off now. I'll need to get Glenn to wipe it off. I think in future I might get Glenn to be my helping hands, and he can open products for me and do swatches for me, maybe. We'll see how he feels about that. So that's the first product. Oh, also it says, just, hello Birchboxers. How would you take love and make it even lovelier? You let it grow. This February, we've partnered with Not on the High Street, the home of thoughtful gifts to celebrate love in all its forms, because whoever said your heart can only be shared with one other. It's time to show your friends, family and significant others just how much you care and let love grow. So here's a whole box of beauty treats to get you started feeling the love. And I actually have used Not on the High Street quite often, like at Christmas time, because they have some great presents and things, really sort of unique things. Anyway, next thing we've got is this Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. So, and that is 30 mils. So I do like a hair mask. And the RRP for this is £9. And it's a full-size product, which is good. And it says, this hair mask repairs damage, improves texture and shine, deeply hydrates, fights frizz and seals split ends. Phew! Its decadent formula also detangles the most knotted strands for instant smoothness after shampooing. Apply the mask evenly to wet hair, leave for 5 to 10 minutes whilst it sinks in, then rinse out. Hello, luscious locks. It smells really nice. It does smell very strong of coconut. And yeah, as I say, I like a hair mask. Struggled on holiday with Glenn having to try and put my hair up in a ponytail. I'm going to maybe try and do a few tutorials on how to do things one-handed, and then I can learn how to manage, and then I can share it with all of you guys in case any of you are in the same predicament. Next thing we've got, this looks a big product, and this is by Anatomicals, and I really do like this brand. And it says, no one gets flirty with the dirty. It's Pick Me Up Body Cleanser. It is 100 mils. There we go. Got a little smoochy picture on the back. And it just says, okay, their chat up lines stink. Phew. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be anything less fragrant. So before hitting the town, ouch, and slapping the face, double ouch, of anyone who gets too familiar, use this shower gel. It'll ensure that any getaway is at least clean, even if your quick exit leaves you more shirty than flirty. They've got a really good sense of humour, this brand. So this is £4. It is full size, and it's a Birchbox exclusive. And it says, every so often we all need a little pick-me-up, right? Next time you do, ease into your morning with this invigorating body wash. Its subtle floral fragrance will wake up your senses, leaving you ready to face the day. Simply massage all over damp skin, working into a lather, then rinse off, leaving skin clean and fresh. Showers are a bit of a problem at the minute. I need to go buy what's called a limber, which is a special thing to keep your pot dry. So I'll show you that when I get one. And what does it smell like? Oh, it smells really nice. So yeah, another fab product. I think Birchbox are doing so well these last few months. I really do. Next thing we've got is, oh, this by Philosophy. And it's Pure Grace Nude Rose. And it's a perfume. 15 mils. And it says, there's no de toilette. It says this clean fragrance combines fresh rose with dewy greens, heady neroli and bright orange flower. The result, an effortless yet whimsical scent that you won't be able to get enough of. It will be love at first spritz. Spray it onto your pulse points, wrists. That's a problem. Behind your ears and the base of your neck for a fragrance that lingers. Right, let's see if I can get into this. I wonder, I might just get some scissors. Oh no, it's coming. Oh, everything's such a struggle. Oh dear. So we did actually have a really nice holiday despite this. So my second to last day was back at the hospital trying to get a certificate for fitness to fly. And then the last day, like we were coming away, we just sat quietly really. And typical, we'd got a late evening flight so we could have an extra day in the sun. And honestly, all I wanted to do was get home, so it was a very long day on Saturday, but I'm back now. Right then, so here it is. That's a nice little bottle, I think, and yeah, there's definitely rose in there, but it is like a nice mix, and I think that'd be quite pleasant on. It reminds me of something else, but I'm not quite sure what. Does it remind me of Chloe? I'm not sure, but it is a nice nice fragrance. Next thing we've got is, ooh, love a brush. It is a brush by Luxie. We got a fan brush in, what's it, Glossy Box? It's either Glossy Box or Look Fantastic. We got a brush by Luxie. So this is a really nice brush. It's a sort of lilac handle of the gold, I can never remember the name of this, and then a really nice soft soft fluffy brush. And this is a 205 tapered blending dream catcher. RRP for this is £11. It is a full-size product again. Wow, that's 4 full-size products this month. That's amazing. So that's it there. And it says, this fluffy blending brush is the ideal companion to powder and cream eyeshadows alike. Use it across the lid, in the crease or at the corners to perfect your eye look. Its soft synthetic bristles, vegan, cruelty-free and hypoallergenic, give a flawless finish with minimal effort. A must-have in any makeup kit. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased to get that. I love getting brushes, and I'm going to struggle washing my brushes now. So the more brushes I have, the better. And then finally, I have an extra product because one of you lovely people have used my code. So thank you so much. My code is LADYMAWA, I do believe. I'll put a link down below and I'll put the correct code across the screen. So yeah, if you do that, you get £5 off your first box, and I get a little gift. And oh sorry, you're just aching. I get a gift, and I think I get a £5 voucher to use in the shop. So this is a cream rouge, cheek and lips, Just Peachy by Model Co. So it's a cream product. Just try and get into it. Oh, there we go. This has got a perforated strip. Just trying. It's so tricky opening anything. So that's it there. And that, oh, it looks quite bright, and I'll just swatch on my finger. It's really bright. It might be nice for lips actually. It might be a bit pink for, look at my fat fingers. Oh dear. Yeah, it's nice. My lips are really dry. I think it's from flying and medication and things. Anyway, that's a mess, but it's a nice enough product. I have to use it now because I've dunked my finger in it. So thank you whoever used my code. And then there's a few little postcards which are really cute. It says, "You make me smile because," and then so you can send that to somebody. "You're lovely because," and then "Your favourite," sorry, "You're my favourite because." So that is it. That is my February box for Birchbox. I've still got quite a few more unboxings to go, and I've got an unboxing from Vitamasks, because I don't know if you saw my glitter ruby face mask from Glitter Masks, a peel off mask, which was like so painful. Anyway, they saw that video and they contacted me, and yes, I'll tell you all about that when I do my when I share what they've sent me. And they've sent me a package, so I think that was really, really lovely. So thank you, Vitamasks. But I'm going to do just a video in its own right about that, so I won't go into that now. So there we go. Obviously over the next few weeks my unboxings are going to be a little bit more struggle than things, but I do want to keep filming for you and sharing my things with you. So I'm playing catch up just now due to being on holiday. So over the next week expect quite a few videos, and expect me to look a bit like a bag lady. And that is your lot. So I shall be back again. I might do another one later today. I might do my Vitamasks today, I think, and then maybe be back in a couple of days. As I say, I'm at hospital tomorrow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. So give me a thumbs up or a thumb up. I can't put this thumb up because it is killing me. So yeah, thumb up, and see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Love you all. Ta-ra. It's good to be home. Bye.